Hello everyone. So here is our next question. So in this question, we are asked that what will be the output of this given code. Okay. So here you can see we have defined a variable a having 14 value. Then we have used a while loop and we are comparing a with 20, then incrementing a. Then we have used some if condition. Then we have used continue, printing some value and returning. Okay. And these are four options that are given to you. You have to find the correct option or the correct output of this given code from these given options. So I will start the timer and you can pause the video. You can think the answer for this question and you can find the answer by yourself first. Then we will see what is the correct answer for this question. So I hope you have got the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D. That means your 15, 19 and 20, it will come out after executing this program. So first let's run this program into our IDE and see what is the output that are given by our compiler. So here is our program. So let me run this program. We can see we are getting 15, 19 and 20 by our compiler also. Okay. So let's understand the reason behind this answer. So here we have a variable having the value 14. Now we are checking whether this a is lesser than 20 or not. So this 14 is lesser than 20. So that means we will come inside this body. We will simply increment a. So now this will be 15. Okay. Now inside if we are actually checking whether the value of a is lying between 16 and 18. So 15 does not lie between 16 and 18. Okay. 15 is not greater than 16. So what we will do, we will come to this printf and what is the output that we will print? It will simply print 15. Okay. Now again we will come here and a was 15 in our previous iteration. So 15 is greater than 20. So it is true. And we will increment this first and then we will see if this value of 16, it is lying between 16 and 18. So yes, you can see that 16 is actually greater than equal to 16. Yes, so it is true. And 16 is also lesser than 18. So this is also true. So we will come inside and we will say continue. That means this iteration will be skipped, or you can say we will not come to this printf line and your 16 will not be printed. Okay. So now we will come here again and we will see 16 is greater than 20. So it is again true and we will increment this to 17 and again 17 is actually lying between 16 and 18. Okay. So it is true. We will again continue. That is, we will skip this part. So again, we will see 17 is lesser than 20. We will increment this to 18. And again, this 18 will satisfy this condition. That is, 18 is greater than 16 and it is equal to 18. Okay. So this is true. And again, we will continue. We will skip this printf. So 18 will not be printed. Now we will see here that 18 is lesser than 20. So it will be first 19. And then we will see, okay, now this condition will be false. Why? Because 19 is greater than 16. It is true. Okay. But 19 is not lesser than 18. So this will be false. The total end will say that this if is false. So we will come to this printf line. Okay. And we will print this 19. So my next answer will be 19. Now I will come here again and 19 is lesser than 20. So I will first increment this a. It will be 20. And then I will say, oh, 19 is greater than 16. No. Now again we will come to if and we'll say 19 is greater than 16. Yes, but it is not lesser than 18. So it is false. So we will come to this printf and we will print 20 here. And now finally this while loop will be false. Why? Because this while loop is saying, okay, 20 is lesser than 20. It is false. So we will come to return 0 and we will come out of this program. Finally, my output will be 15, 19 and 20. So in this question, you should know how this continue is working. So this continue is actually skipping this printing whenever your values are not satisfying this if condition. Okay. For the rest of the thing, you will be printing the value of a. So I hope you have understood the explanation. So if you have any question or comment, please write down into the comment box. So now finally, let's move to our